Gicunji kinene kia mawoni kuma kuri muingi gikionekana kuregana na mendekithia ma kurenga aruti wira gicunji gia 3% kia mishara yao, mbeca iria thirikari yugite cikwerekerio hari waki wa nyumba cia raithi. Murugamo wa thirikari ndironekana to gucenjia. Agitongoria mambura ma madaraka kaunti ya Embu, President William Ruto augite nĩ itemi rĩa Akenya othe kuyukia ritana riri,
ili tukubaliane kama wananchi vile wale waliotutangulia bila ya kujali watapata nini, walipigania uhuru wetu, damu yao ikamwagika, wengine wakauawa, lakini hawakurudi nyuma, kwa sababu kama wangerudi nyuma leo tungekuwa watumwa wa wale walikuwa wametutawala.
Ino walitafarira thirikari yajitie kururumura icigo-ini itiganite. Ruto ugite itanya ria thirikari ni gutigirira muingi uria wikaraga icagi-ini nini matauni-ini ni wagia na ciikaru ciao.
The objective of affordable housing is to increase the number of homeowners and to transition more Kenyans from rent paying in informal settlements in slums, and we have 1,411 slums in Kenya. We should transition those people, my countrymen and women, into homeowners. They should live in dignity like the rest of us.
Kiuria kia wigirithiki uhuthiri-ini wa mbeca ici ni umwe wa maria matigite muingi na nganja. Mutongoria wa bururi akiranira waragania hari gukuruhania muingi mutaratara-ini uyu.
And progressively we are answering the how, we are answering the why, and we will answer every other question, because right here in Embu, and as we do in every part of Kenya, we have our own citizens, millions of young people who do not have a job.
Thirikari iratanya guthondekera makiria ma mbeũ njĩthĩ milioni 5 mieke ya mawira kugerera waki wa nyumba ici, undu uria ukwararamia gicunji kia arihi a magoti bururi-ini,
ili tuweze kujenga nyumba 200,000 kila mwaka katika taifa letu la Kenya. Hizo nyumba 200,000 zitatupatia ajira ya vijana milioni 1.
Ndumiriri ya President William Ruto muthenya wa umuthi nikionereria ati thirikari ndiri na matanya ma guteaniria riendekithia ria kurenga aruti wira gicunji gia 3% kia mishara yao. Riu kibarua kuri thirikari ariuria ikuiguithia muingi unyite mbaru mendekithia maya. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ndikiharo-ini kia Moi Stadium kaunti-ini ya Embu. Ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Wachege.